Hi, welcome back to Math Learning Groups, and today we are going to continue looking at how to avoid careless mistakes by applying shortcuts, right? Sometimes when we apply shortcuts, we can actually avoid careless mistakes. So let's look at this primary 5 percentage problem. It's a short question, so it's in paper 1. There is about 2 marks. So let's look at this question to see what can we learn from this question. Now, if you look at this question, you can see that 60 pupils took part in a Math Olympiad competition. 24 of them won the Gold Award. So what percentage of the students won the Gold Award? Okay, so the common way that students will do, or that you will do, is to write like this, which is nothing wrong. So you have 100%, which is all the pupils, alright, which is 60. And then you want to find how many percentage is 24. So that will be how many percent. Alright, so to do that, we will have to do some thinking. So we have to find 1%, and then 24 will be how many percent. So some of the students may even do something very good, which is to divide by 10. Divide by 10, and 60 also divide by 10. You get 6. Alright, so you divide by 10, and then the other side you also do the same. And then later you times 4 to get 24, and then the other side you also times 4 to get 40%. So 40% of the pupils won the Gold Award. Now there's nothing wrong with this way of doing, but you can see that there's a little bit more thinking, right? You must think a bit more to get the answer. But is there a faster way? Yeah, there's a faster way. Is to change the percentage into fraction. So what fraction of the students won the Gold Award? So you just have to write as a fraction. So the numerator is the students who won the Gold Award, which is 24, and the denominator is the total. So you have a fraction there. And then what do you do with the fraction? You can multiply by 100, or you change it to simplest form. So you divide by 6 and divide by 6. And then in your concept lesson on percentage, you have to learn how to convert the fraction to percentage. So you have to make the denominator 100. So you have 10 times 10, and 4 times 10, 40. So once your denominator is 100, then the percentage will be 40%. So you have two ways of doing, but you can see that on the left side is a bit harder, right? You must think a bit more. But on the right side is a bit more effective, because you just have to write as a fraction and then convert into a percentage. So this is the question that I want to talk about today. Because if you know how to use the effective approach to get your percentage, you can actually reduce your steps, and when you reduce your steps, you get less mistakes. Alright, okay, so we are done, and we will continue to see you in our next lesson on how to avoid careless mistakes. Alright, so see you in our next lesson.